Welcome to Student Wellness Services. Located directly within MacEwan Student Center, we are your on-campus resource for health and wellness support. Our services include medical services, mental health services, learning and workshops, as well as health promotion and outreach. Medical services has a team of physicians, nurses, psychiatry, chiropractors, and massage therapists, as well as a travel and vaccination clinic. Our physicians can assist with care such as treating injuries, skin conditions, and managing stable chronic diseases. They also offer preventative medicine such as pap tests, STI screenings, and information about contraception. We also have mental health services, which has a broad range of services and support. Our one-at-a-time counseling provides faster access to support and can be accessed as many times as needed. Or you may be referred to our short-term counseling model once meeting with a member of our counseling team. Our mental health services also expand beyond counseling. Our student support advisors provide coordinated care, a service that provides one-to-one support to help you manage the stressors of university life. They focus on your strengths and can help you find positive ways to manage and maintain your mental health, improve personal functioning, and much, much more. We also have counselors and student support advisors that provide support for specific populations and groups. We have support for Indigenous students in partnership with the Writing Symbols Lodge, as well as neurodiversity support, harm reduction support, and others. Prefer to talk to a peer? We have peer support available every day from noon to 4 p.m. during the fall and winter semesters. You want to learn strategies to promote your health and well-being? We offer mental health education groups and workshops on topics such as stress, anxiety, self-care and compassion, motivation and time management, and many more. Or, if you prefer to learn on your own time, we have an entire web page dedicated to resources that you can explore, as well as many short videos covering topics that can help you manage your wellness more effectively. We also have a team within Student Wellness Services dedicated to health promotion and outreach. They focus on getting students involved through awareness events and activities, such as You Flourish and Sexual and Gender Wellness Week, as well as providing training opportunities to our campus community. We have training on topics such as suicide prevention and intervention, mental health literacy, and more. Lastly, we have many volunteer opportunities for students, including being a part of the Wellness and Health Awareness Team, Student Medical Response Team, and peer listening. Calling after hours and looking to talk to someone? Our phone lines give the option to be connected with 24/7 support provided by our community partners. Have questions? Come visit us at MSC 370, go to our website, or call us at 403-210-9355 to make an appointment or for any questions that you may have.